as we all know, it's an exhibition and we have a lot of people collaborating, coming with different designs in terms of jewelry, clothes, everything. So this is my most beautiful designer and my very good friend Rippy Sethi. If you go on my social site, you will be seeing all the pictures I keep wearing her, and I've been getting crazy compliments from the time I started wearing her, and people are like, oh my god, what sexy gowns you wear, what sexy gowns you wear. I was like, it's Rippy. I think she's one of the...
She carries my gown the best. She has that body language and the way she styles it, the personal touch she gives to it. I mean, I don't think anybody does it better than her.
I think that's very sweet of her, but I think she makes such good clothes, which, like, I'm not a thin girl, you know, I'm a full girl. And generally when you see such clothes, it's all about thin girls. And when I see I fit into it, I'm like, boss, you're making some amazing stuff, because, you know, everybody doesn't have a body like that. Generally people are like me, you know, they're like little healthy. So I think she makes me look amazing. She has different kind of clothes, which you can wear for your red carpet, you can wear for your casual events. She has all kind of variety, and that's the best thing. She is definitely one of the most finest designers I have been working with, and I'm sure she's going to be doing great in future.
She'll always be my favorite. And one thing I disagree, you're not fat. She is a proper UK 8. Trust me, the outfit coming from the dummy fits her like a glove. So she's mistaken. She's a proper UK 8 size. Not even one alteration, so you're not fat. You're fit. You're actual dummy size.
One more time, can we just give it up for Joya?
ऑनेस्टली डिसाइड करना रिपी के क्लोथ्स में से, मैं कहती हूँ ना, जब मैं जाती हूँ रिपी के पास अगर अपने कोई इवेंट के लिए कपड़े लेने, मुझे लगता है मैं कौन सा पहनूँ. एंड वेन एवर आई वेयर, पीपल आर लाइक, ओ माई गॉड व्हाट अ गाउन. मैंने कहा यार, सब पे सेम ही रिएक्शन देते हैं, किसी पे तो थोड़ा कम दो, किसी पे थोड़ा समझ में ही नहीं आता है. सो आई थिंक वेन एवर आई वेयर हर एंड द पिक्चर्स गो आउट, I do a lot of photo shoots with her clothes, and I think everybody just says, people tell me, you should keep wearing Rippy, she makes amazing stuff for you. So I think that's the best compliment, because as an actor, to just keep wearing one designer every time, it's a very big thing, I believe. Because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि इंसान बोलता है कि यार मैं बोर हो गई हूँ अब इससे, you know, सुंदर कपड़े हैं बट घड़ी घड़ी सेम. बट रिपी के कपड़ों में इतनी वैरायटी होती है कि आप हर इवेंट पे पहनो लेकिन आप अलग लगते हो. So I think that is very important, that people, when I wear any of her designs and I walk, people definitely give me a second look. And there has never been an event where people have not asked me who I'm wearing. I'm talking about big actresses also who have asked me who am I wearing, and I feel I never asked them who are you wearing. But I think that's one of the biggest compliment for the designer, where you walk in and people who are more senior and more, you know, they ask you what are you wearing. I think that's the biggest compliment.
Thank you so much. Yeah. I do for many of them, but for her, she is like family to me. So it's like dressing my younger sister, you know. She's like my baby. मरते दम तक मनाऊंगी इसके लिए. वो पहनेगी ना तो पहनाऊंगी.
रिपी कपड़े दो, तुम नहीं हो कपड़े दो.
Continue to दिल से कपड़े पहनाती हूँ उसको मैं. Not
she's
because
I'll
she's
tell
an
you,
actress, more than that, she's a very good person.
even though if I wear her clothes, this lady was traveling, she was having a holiday in London, but still she used to keep coordinating and get my clothes sorted. And I think that's a very good relationship that you have with your designer, and that is when you feel very special. You feel that, you know, she's not just a lady who's giving her clothes to me, you know, you can see that love. And when you see that love, I think that's the best thing. An actor or a person, forget an actor, a person feels very connected and wanted by the person. So I think Rippy always makes me feel very wanted. ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे उसकी नहीं, उसे मेरी ज़रूरत है. पता ही नहीं चलता यहाँ पे ज़रूरत किसको किसकी है.
So you know, it's like I like when she wears, she dresses. खुशी मिलती है कि वो सुंदर लग रही है. That's my idea.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, she understands what I like.
I dress people just, I feel nice, they're looking good.
Yeah.
Well, it's indeed heartwarming to see.
जी. जी. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा enjoy कर रही हूँ. मैं
I can see her Snapchat. She's always enjoying.
I am like, पता है मेरा सेट के लोग बोलते हैं यार ये इतना कैसे बात करती है. मेरा कैमरामैन है प्रकाश कुट्टी सर, ओके. हम जब पहले नए सेट पे गए थे, he never used to talk. Suddenly he's talking so much. एंड मुझे शर्मन अभी यही स्केड्यूल में बोलता है सना आई हैव टू टेल यू वन थिंग, प्रकाश सर बात ही नहीं करते पर तुमसे कितनी बात करते हैं। मैंने कहा पहले ये मुझसे भी नहीं करते थे, मेरे साथ जो भी रहता है वो 10 दिन के बाद मुझसे बहुत बात करता है। सो आई थिंक बट द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट अ फिल्म इज माई डायरेक्टर विशाल। आई थिंक मैं जो एक्सपेक्टेशन के साथ गई थी वजह तुम हो में कि नहीं अच्छी बनेगी ये, इट्स गॉन अबव दैट एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू whoever is going to go on 2nd December to watch the film, they are going to be like what a film, it's a thriller and people are going to love the thriller। उनको एंड तक पता नहीं चलेगा कि किसने क्या किया है and eventually it's not something that you can assume कि अभी ये होगा अभी वो होगा। You are going to be like कौन है culprit, किसने किया है। So I think that's the best part when you do a film and I think I'm very excited for 2nd December। जी कस्टमर कंटेस्टेंट यस।
तो हमें सुनने में आ रहा है कि इस बार बिग बॉस में सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ कॉमन पीपल भी जाने वाले हैं।
हाँ जी
आपको क्या take है कि
आई थिंक इट्स वेरी नाइस यार, इट्स अ वेरी आई ऑलवेज टेल मेरे जितने भी दोस्त टीवी के होते हैं अगर वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि हमें बिग बॉस का कॉल आया, मैं कहती हूँ पहली फुर्सत में चले जाओ बिकॉज यू नो ये डिपेंड आपका नेचर कैसा है। अगर आप एग्जिस्टिंग हो स्वीट हो वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है अंदर आप किस चीज़ पे कैसे एक्शन लेते हो। बट आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर पीपल टू प्रूव देमसेल्फ, to show them and there are a lot of people watching them और आपको कब कहाँ से काम मिलता है you never know, but Big Boss definitely makes you very famous and I think अगर आपको वो opportunity मिलती है तो उसको use करो।
Joya, it's very first